Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to link your social club account to your Epic Games. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your settings, and then click on linked accounts. Yes, that one. Just wait for it to load, and as you can see, you won't be able to see Epic Games in here. And that is because it does not belong here. What you can do, of course, is head over to help, click on support, and click on support, then click on social club account, and then click on account linking, and then just write down your username and just write what your problem is. Alright, so the request has been sent and you should just wait for social club to respond, but luckily for me they did. So this is now on my phone, me checking the response. This is my Gmail, and this is the response from Rockstar Support. They have responded, "Hello, thank you for responding. We need something." They need your screenshot that you're logged into your Epic with the name, of course, of your Epic Games account, and a screenshot of the receipt that you did buy a game from them, in order for them to link your account from Epic Games to Rockstar. That is how you link your account from Epic Games to Rockstar. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if you did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.